Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools English learning video. Today we will learn more nursing vocabulary. Please repeat each word and practice your pronunciation.
Triage, triage.
Dressing, dressing.
Incision, incision.
Antibiotic, antibiotic.
Anesthesia, anesthesia.
Pulse oximeter, pulse oximeter. Oxygen mask, oxygen mask.
Bedpan, bedpan.
Gurney, gurney.
Chart, chart.
Vital signs, vital signs.
Injection, injection.
Medication, medication.
Sterilization, sterilization.
Rehabilitation, rehabilitation.
Infusion pump, infusion pump, infusion pump.
Nasogastric tube, nasogastric tube.
Ambu bag, ambu bag.
Cannula, cannula.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't, we may do evil things. We are evil doers. George Bush said so.